Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video guys. 20 week having a Ford F-150 generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find the fuses for the transfer case. Stay with us guys, we're going to explain that in this video today. 4x4 transfer case fuses guys. You have up to 4 fuses that you need to check. All that will be covered today. In addition, we will explain where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from and why it's important to always test them so you don't waste your time and money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate here on a 2016 Ford F-150 guys, but even if you have 15 or 17, the video may be helpful as well. You will guys have 2 fuse boxes, but the fuse box that we will need today is the one that's under the hood on your Ford F-150. And if you open the hood, you can see this is your car battery right behind it. You have a fuse box. This is the cover right here. You open that cover, and once you open it, you'll see your fuses will look just like that guys. You will be on this side of the fuse box. This will be towards the windshield side. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see guys, you have different kinds of fuses, relays, and those could be really expensive or hard to find sometimes if you're in a small town. So we'll recommend get some spares and put them in the glove box, because otherwise you may be stuck in the middle of nowhere. We'll put a link where you can get the relays, fuses at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So the first fuse guys that we'll need to check for the transfer case, will be if we come in that fuse panel right here, and we go in that line, will be 1, 2, that second fuse, that's known as fuse number 15 guys. You need to check that fuse. Then we have another fuse guys that we'll need to check, and it will be fuse number 40. So if you come in this row right here, 1, 2, 3, that third fuse, 15M fuse, you will need to check that one here as well. And after that guys, we're going to have another fuse in that fuse panel, right here. And we're talking in this row right here, 1, 2, that second fuse, which is known as fuse number 72. You will need to check that fuse as well. And you have just one more after that, which one will be in this panel right here. And we're talking guys about fuse number 110. So it will be 1, 2, 3, third fuse on the very left side. You can see that 10M fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.